Hello YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, and I apologize. But today, I have a new box to do an unboxing review of from INNOVV, who also sent me the pump that I did the video on. So let's see what they sent us. It is the INNOVV N3, which is the head unit that you can put on motorcycles that you can hook up your phone to and have GPS and also other things. Let's see what it has. N3 motorcycle smart riding system. Smart riding system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual cameras, quick release design, and BMW mount capability. However, if you look at the box, this is the universal, not the BMW, which is right here. This is the universal for all. So let's see what it has. The 5.99-inch touchscreen, 1200 nits peak brightness, quick release bass, 2K dual camera, OTA updating, and IP67 waterproof. Here's the back of the box. And then the other side. So that was the first thing. Second thing is, looks like a little sun visor for the head unit to keep the sun off the screen so you can see it better. And then we also have 12 to 16 millimeter handlebar pipe clamp bracket. So I would like to thank INNOVV for giving me this opportunity to test this out. It is going to be a 2 or 3 part video. The first one is this one, the unboxing. The next one is I'm going to do the install on my bike, and then either combined with that I'll do the operation, or I'll do that as a separate, but do operation and real world use of it. So let's open up the INNOVV 12 to 16 millimeter handlebar pipe clamp bracket to see what that has. And this is again the universal. With some wiring, a bunch of wiring, bracket, so this is all the wiring for it. Again, this is just an unboxing. That's all I'm going to do today. When I get into the install is when I'll go into what all these wires are and everything else, because I got to do my research on it. So that's the bracket. The next thing is, like I said, the little sun visor. The foam is just a placeholder. It's like almost like a rubber plastic that, pretty tight one here. There we go. 2 foam pieces. So this will be like a little sun visor. This will be like a little sun visor of the cover of the screen, so this blocks the sun. Okay, last is the actual unit. Sorry, getting the glare from the light. So let's open up and see what we got. Huh. Okay. I don't want to cut the box. There we go. It's actually magnetic right there. See? That's pretty cool. Nice little motorcycle scene. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Screen protector. And the head unit and cameras. Nice. I'm not going to break it all out, but you got the head unit and then the cameras. Oh, let's see what I can do. There we go. So, little mounting brackets. Looks like the feet for maybe the camera. Again, I'm going to have to go through the instructions and everything. Ooh, they even gave me the tire pressure sensors, which will screw into your tire inflate area, and it will read back to your console over here. It's similar to like the Fubo or Fobo Bike 2, which is what I have on my bike right now. I'm going to replace it with these, since they were so kind to give me in, because it would be nice to be able to see everything on my console. So GPS sensor, more brackets, and more brackets, maybe for the cameras. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm going to have to go through the instructions. But here's the product overview. And then they also sent me 2 more stickers. The same stickers that they sent me back when they sent me the air pump. I am looking forward to doing the install and testing this stuff out. I've been wanting one of these, so again, thank you INNOVV for sending this to me to test out. I'm definitely looking forward to it. So for now, stay tuned, and you guys have a good one. Peace.